Do you remember when bovine spongiform encephalopathy, more commonly known as mad cow disease, first hit the United States back in 2003? According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, feeding cows inadequate meals that contain meat and bone from sheep and other cows containing prion proteins causes this disease. While human-related cases of mad cow have been minimal since its outbreak, the disease caused widespread paranoia about eating meat, so much so that the Department of Agriculture recalled over 10,000 pounds of U.S. beef, as reported by CNN. The outbreak of mad cow could have been prevented through the international adoption of organic farming practices. You should join the organic agriculture movement to support and promote farming practices that lead to a healthier agroecosystem. The Department for Environment, Food, and Rural Affairs has stated that organic production systems are designed to produce optimum quantities of food of high nutritional quality by using management practices which aim to minimize damage to the environment and wildlife. Having personal experience with the organic agriculture movement, as well as doing thorough research on the subject, has provided us with the facts about organic farming practices. Participating in the organic agriculture movement will help to avoid doing harm to the ecosystem by protecting soil and water, using biodegradable packaging, and maintaining healthy livestock. What is most essential in order to grow crops on a farm? Healthy soil. By participating in the organic agriculture movement, you promote farming practices that help to protect the farmland's soil and water. Conventional farming uses chemical fertilizers, pesticides, as well as chemical herbicides on crops that have negative effects on the soil and nearby water. In an article written by Luis Alvarez at the Center for American Progress, he notes that USDA guidelines for organic farming practices are designed to reduce pollution and conserve water and soil. The USDA guidelines require that organic farmers eliminate the use of synthetic, chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides in their production practices. Instead, organic farmers rely on manure and compost, crop rotation, and rotational grazing in order to preserve soil, manage weeds, and maintain a balanced ecosystem. While the preservation of soil and water is a huge benefit of organic farming, the practices go beyond simply eliminating chemicals from the process. They also include green methods of distribution. Like the brand name Sun Chips have done with their packaging, your participation in the organic agriculture movement will promote the use of biodegradable packaging. Local distributors such as the farmers market, as well as retail stores like Whole Foods, have reusable bags to transport your purchases that help to reduce the waste accumulated by trashing paper and plastic bags. In addition, the brand name Private Selection Organics, found at Kroger stores, make their packaging out of polylactic acid, abbreviated PLA, and is typically used for the distribution of fruits and vegetables. PLA packaging is derived from renewable resources that can be recycled and composted. This has multiple benefits for the ecosystem. 1. The material preserves food longer. 2. The material is recyclable. And 3. The material can be composted and used by the farmers to maintain the health of their soil. Organic farming practices do not solely revolve around fruits and vegetables. The type of farming affects the animals, whether conventional or organic. Perhaps the most important reason to participate in the organic agriculture movement is because the practices ensure that livestock are provided the proper care. Since organic farming eliminates the use of fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides, there is no risk of animals ingesting harmful chemicals. Luis Alvarez states that organic farmers monitor their animals' health closely, giving them organic feed and allowing them to roam. Another main difference between conventional and organic livestock is that conventional farmers can raise, slaughter, and flavor their livestock more rapidly through the injection of hormones. Conventional farmers do this because it yields more meat products, generating a higher revenue. These practices are absent in organic farming, which leads to healthier, more natural livestock. The organic agriculture movement is well underway, and it's time for you to make the change from conventional foods to organic. By choosing to eat organically grown foods, we have contributed to maintaining clean water and healthy soil, using biodegradable packaging, and protecting the health and well-being of livestock. You should participate in the organic agriculture movement to support and promote these farming practices that lead to a healthier agroecosystem. The elimination of fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides, in addition to the use of PLA packaging, as well as giving livestock organic feed, could have prevented the outbreak of mad cow disease. Though mad cow seems to have run its course in the United States, we can prevent future diseases through eating organic foods and joining the organic agriculture movement.